Okay, so the first thing you need to understand is a dual filament brake light. This is the replacement bulb that goes in your socket. The thinner filament loops are the dimmer light. The thicker, more loops are the brake light. So there you see I've got an orange and red. Red's the brake. And so you see where they go. They come down the little wires, and the tail light takes the inside path. The brake light takes the outside path. And so those plug into this socket here. This is the socket you get with your replacement, and the black wires are unmarked. You pop off this cover and you get an idea of where they're going. So you see one wire will go off on its own to one side. The other two will stay tight together. And so the one going off by itself is your ground side. The two staying close together are your tail light and your brake light. Now, ideally, if you can tell, the outside one's going to go to your brake, the inside's going to go to your tail. As long as you get the ground wire right, you're good. If you need to switch these around after you've tested, that's not a big deal. If you get your ground wire wrong, I will show you what happens. So if you just needed a nudge in the right direction, you can probably shut off the video now. I think those little diagrams will get you where you need to go. If you want to watch me fumble around on what I did on this and how it was messed up, keep watching. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us. We got more stuff coming. This project has a ways to go. All right, just want to document this problem. I think I have a fix. I think the replacement taillight socket was installed improperly. So check this out, okay? Head markers come on. Gauges come on, interior lights come on. That's what it's supposed to do. Watch this. I'm about to push down the brake, and that light comes on. Those lights come on. That's not supposed to happen. That brake light is only supposed to trigger those tail lights, not interior lights. So, fixing to change some stuff up. Okay, so these replacement taillight brake light sockets, they come with 3 unmarked wires. You're supposed to hook them into the ground, the one that connects to the brake, and the one that connects to the lights, tail lights. So tail light, brake light, ground. I think every time they hit the brake light, it charges the ground and lights up the stuff it's not supposed to light up. All right, guys, victory. So I hit the brake. Nothing on the interior lights up. Test number 1, all right? We turn on the markers. We come back here and we see dimly lit bulbs. We shove this stick down here on the brake. Boop. Wedge it in there to the seat. And we have brightly lit bulbs, okay? So the problem indeed was the ground wire was connected to the brake light or the tail light. And so now the ground is connected to the ground. I had them reversed. I had the tail light. Let's see if I can get a little light on that. The first time I plugged in the ground, connected to the ground, that fixed the brake problem, but it was reversed. The headlights were making the bulb super bright. Just pushing the brake didn't make a difference. So then I switched those to the brown and the, the lighting stinks. The brown and the red, switched, left the ground where it was. Did that on both sides. Hallelujah. One more problem fixed.